new aircraft for its so-called sleeper services across the United States, Douglas came up with a more advanced, developed and larger version of its already excellent DC-2. It produced it in two versions, the Douglas Sleeper Transporter, including the then US Secretary of War. In fact, many years ago, we saw its sister ship, the first ever military DC-3, the C-41. Soon after the war, it was disposed of by the American military, but this incredibly historic aeroplane, thankfully, was destined to survive. It entered civilian maintenance at Coventry Airport, and it re-emerged this year, just before the very sad closure of that historic aerodrome. And its owner, Richard Martin, now keeps the aeroplane at Wolverhampton Halfpenny Green Airport. Well, it took part in the DAX over Duxford D-Day anniversary event in 2019 here. We didn't see it giving any displays on that occasion. It also came to our Battle of Britain Airshow that year for static display, but this is its first proper flying display on with 90,000 plus hours on them. Tens of thousands of pounds. There are still aircraft like this earning a living. There are. In commercial aviation, something is amazing. It was an incredibly difficult aircraft to replace. There